That'll be $200.
For a smoothie? Oh, that's outrageous. Just give me a glass of water.
That'll be $50.
That's more like it.
Test it out. Where's my fiver?
Look, it's Sean Kingston.
Hey, man. Nice mobile game system. You like that? Check out my refrigerator guy.
Oh.
Have a drink.
Thanks. Well, better give him $50.
Hey, you're a little tipsy.
Yep, that's what it says on this necklace that he gave me in case I get lost.
Wow, she's beautiful. I think I'm in love. Yeah. You want to play a game? Yeah, sure. But we gotta make it quick because my game dude gotta use the bathroom. Hey, Rumi! I've got 2 tickets to Belgium's hottest tourist attraction. You in? A chocolate tour for sweethearts? I like you and all, but I bought the tickets when I was still with Bailey. And obviously I can't go with her, so I thought you'd be interested. It's a tour of a chocolate factory. Free samples. No thanks. I'm trying to eat healthy. I took a long, hard look at myself in the mirror and realized I can only see 2/3 of me.
Hey, Cody. You ready for a tour of the chocolate factory?
Oh, Bailey. Your psyche must have suppressed that painful memory, but you and I are kind of done, Zoe.
Yeah, I know, Zoe. Go. I still want to see the chocolate factory. If you're not mature enough to go as friends, I'll take the tickets.
Mature? Please. If anyone's the mature one, it's me. Hey, Cody, your blankie fell on the floor. You want to put him back on his pillow? Okay, yeah, sure. Let's do it. Just 2 platonic friends who have no interest in each other whatsoever. I love my brother. Here is this. Hey, Dad. Have you seen Linda? No. But there was a puppet show at 3 in the toddler lounge, and she never missed it. Thanks. You're always going to be there. No, I can't stop thinking about it. I need you to find some type of impressive. And now these, then there's no out. My 4 favorite words. Well, my friend, you come to the right moment.